Hey guys, I have a new game where you can like you can do more things like no, what the? Where did this come from? No, no, this thing is eating the planet. No, no. Never meant for that guy. Worm coming. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
My boyfriend's phone does this.
Alright, back to our recording. No! Ha! Wow. This can do much more things like tornado. The National Weather Service in this county has issued a tornado warning that which includes thunder. There's so many things happening. Bloop. Yes, okay, there we go. There's no more monsters. No. No. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh no, not again. No, stop it. The world is shaking right now. Stop. Help. Oh no, we're screwed. They're eating the entire world. What the? The world is shaking right now. Okay. Safe and sound. And peace and quiet. But plus everything is on fire. I can fix that. Okay. Now we're back with the video. Okay, everything is safe. Safe and sound. It can do much more things, but except it can't even do. I bet it can do this. Oh wait, it can. Stop. Everything is on fire. Bro, just no. Okay, peace and quiet. There's a lot of rotations. Is there a tsunami come? Can I do tsunami? Earthquake.